Hello everyone, my name is Charles and my age is 20 and I'm from the Philippines and
Bruh.
my hobbies is drawing, crafting, watching anime, listening music. Yeah, those four. But sometimes I like doing chores. Like there's something that I really need when I'm doing chores. Like maghuhugas ka, no? So, ganun. Maghuhugas ka tapos nagpapatugtog ka. Naka-headset. Also, about that, bawal na yun sa akin. Kasi, kapag inuutosan ako ng magulang ko, may nakasalpak sa tenga ko, no? yeah, nagbabawal na ako mag-ano. Kapag ako may ginagawa, bawal may nakasalpak sa tenga ko. May headset na nawala na sa akin. Kinuha na ng magulang ko. Kinuha na ng mama ko yung headset. Kasi yun nga. So anong content ng gagawin ko sa YouTube? Gaming, crafting, for a vlog. If the vlog is, I think hindi pa mangyayari kasi ang gagawin ko lang sa YouTube ay yung tatlo, gaming, crafting, racking. So also I like to show you yung mga hobbies ko na ginawa ko. Hobbies is drawing. Yeah. Nandito. Kasi nandito yung mababasahin ko. Yung binasa ko. Nandito yung production, hobbies, dream. Ng anong content na gagawin ko sa YouTube. Ito na. Nandito na. Yung drawing ay nalaglag na. Yes. Drawing. I like drawing. So makikita nyo guys, eto, hindi pa yan tapos. Hindi ko pa alam kung itutuloy ko ba to. Ito nga pala guys si Morgan Le Fay from Fate Grand Order, Colin Sky of Light from Fate Grand Order, and Ushu Wakamaru from Fate Grand Order. Aring dalawa, they are real from history, but the game they are different from the real and in the game. Coins kaya naman ay it's like the same thing to Tamamon no Mei. It's like there has connection or they're both. Di ko alam. Yeah. Three of them is from Fate Grand Order. And yung nasa gitna naman, yan. Just a guy who wear a jacket. And some acho pants. Nakapantalon lang. Pero dito naman sa yan. Ito ba sa dongle na? Yan. Ito naman, ay dodrawing ko din ay si Eden from Honkai Impact. And dito naman si Raiden May yung Virtue of Thunder from Honkai Impact 2. Honkai Impact din. So yeah, drawing ko. So next drawing, I draw my crush with the anime version. Hindi ko alam kung makikita to ng crush ko kasi hindi ko imposible. And I draw her May 26, 2024. Yo! I'm back. Lumipat ako dito. At ito yung part ko. Yan. Smiling. Exit. Tuloy natin yung pakita ko yung mga drawing. Dami ito. Ito. Yan yung drawing. May makakakilala din sa art na to. Feel ko may makakakilala. Feel ko lang. Kung mapapanood nyo to, kilala nyo yung scene na to. Na-drawing ko pa rin last 2 years na. October, 2022 pa. MS! Yeah. Big fan of Sword Art Online. It's Kirito. And last year. Actually guys, ni-redraw ko ulit. Nilipat ko. Dinrawing ko ulit. Yeah. Ayun yung mga drawing ko. Hindi ko na alam kasi hindi ko na kasi alam kung nasan yung diba? Try ko tingnan din baka nandito Ito. Ito guys. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo sana if ako'y nag-strip naggawa ng content ng FGO na laro. Ayan. Ito. Nagawa ko guys ng kailan? Ayan, nakalagay. Succeed the MP loop by Koyanskaya and Charlotte. Yeah. Guys, naging success yung yung MP loop ko. Ano yun guys, walang overon. Talaga, saktong-sakto talaga yung energy. Kaso lang, may kailangan ka talagang paano yun. Kailangan mo yung may faster. Alam niyo ba yung Astra. Yung yung Buster. Mamaya kapag gumawa ng content ng Gio, papakita ko lang sa inyo kung so yeah, ito yung drawing ko. Ayun. Nag-success naman kasi yung epilogue naging 3 turns na. May nakikita din ako guys na ng mga tutorial na kung paano gumawa ng yung makakatawa ng mga babae. Alam mo yung kung sexy talaga yun kasi makikita mo yung mga alam nyo na yung boba yung hindi na bastos. Alam mo yung sa mukha, yung bilog. Tapos may pa ganun pa. Wala akong ganun. Parang basta lang talaga ako drawing. Yun, ganun ako. Guys, sa mga di nakakapanood din ng Seto Kai Yakidomo or in English natin Student Council Student Council Staff Office? Staff Office or yeah. Basta Seto Kai Yakidomo. Yan, ito. Si Shino Amatsu sa Shino. Yung bida sa sila. Tapos ang bida dun si Suna. Ito guys. Ito ang pinakamatagal sa lahat. Parang ito pinaka first art ko sa din sa sketchpad na to. It's Kurumi Tokisake. 4 years na nakakalipas. Yeah. Damn. Almost pa rin guys. Di na ako gisa sa part na to. Sa ulo niya Kurumi. Yung pagkaanino ng kapag ganun. Ano yung parang ball? Yung ganito. Ganito. Yung ganyan. Tapos may paanino. Gagandaan ako. Buti nakagawa ko. Kasi may detail na detail yan guys. Detail na detail. Ayan, 4 years ago. 2020 pa. Pandemic pa. Ay, ito. Guys, may sabihin niya ako. Nagpagawa ako ng gumawa ako guys ng short novel. Tapos itong illustration. Isang babae Chris, makikilala nyo makikilala kung ito. I don't know guys, hindi ako yan. Fiction character lang yan. Normal na fiction character. Japanese guy. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys. Next time. Yeah. Yun nga yun. Yun yung basta short light novel yun. Yeah. The end revealing my drawing. Next my next is I'm gonna review my hobbies. Another hobby that I said is crafting. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung craft. Yung ginawa ko, na kinarap ko. Look at this. It's a katana. Shoot! I'm dito. Shoot! It's a wooden katana guys. Ito guys, aring scabbard. In Japanese kasi, saya. Saya kasi yung pinakamadali. In the Japanese way. So, yeah, ito ang ginawa ko. Kasi gawa din ako ng content na crafting. Yung tatlo. Ito na. Itong scabbard na gawa lang na rin sa cartolina. Alam nyo na yun, cartolina. Parang pinag-ano halimbawa, yung pinag-ano ng slogan, yun. Tapos poster din. Kapag kayo yung poster, yung pang nangyayari tuwing may event na may may premyo. Tapos slogan ganun din. Yun. Tapos ito. It's a belt. It's a latest championship belt from WWE. It's undisputed. Gawa siya guys sa cardboard, karton. Sa kahon. Ginawa ko sa kahon. Cardboard, okay? Yan, ganito siya ginagawa. Ganito mga champion ako doon. Panalo na ako, boy! I'm a champion! Guys, ang pinangkulay ko siya guys, permanent marker. Sorry. Permanent marker, tapos yung pinang-drawing ko. Yan. Permanent marker yung lahat. Tapos WWE icon. Then, from the back, yung sinusuot. Then, this. Random lang siya guys. Alam niyo yung nasa yung kay Cesar, sa Rome, sa Europe. Yung, ganun yun. Yung parang may bulaklak na may hinagdo ng bulaklak kasi may down ng yung ganyan yung nakikita nyo din guys sa world heavyweight na belt. Ayun yun. Parang hindi ko maklear ko kung yun ba yun. Basta ganun yung nasa tingin ko. Ayun. Dapat dito guys nakalagay din yung WWE din parehas. Sa latest kasi hindi ganito. Sa akin lang talaga nasa akin lang talaga. So yeah. Watching anime is one thing na my favorite anime is Sword Art Online, Fate series, High School DxD, Bocchi the Rock. Makes sense because I have a figure. It's Bocchi. Hi, what's up? I'm an introvert one. Free Rent and Apothecary Diaries about a Chinese thing, a Chinese story, a Chinese dim pala. It's Mamaw, best one there. And Jinchi. And Gaoshun. For music, there's a favorite singer that I really want to meet soon. Or my dream singer that I really wanted to meet is Lisa. You know, Lisa from singing Crossing Field, Unlasting, Adamas, Gurenge, yes. Yan o, Demon Slayer, tapos yung yung Demon Slayer na Mugen Train Art, ayun yun. Nalimutan ko ng pangalan. Yeah, yun. Basta yun na sa Mugen Train Art. Yung anime version. May kasi movie. Basta mga kanta niya ni Lisa guys, ang ganda. Gusto ko sa manit soon. If I have subscribers. It's a long way, man. It's a long way. Imposible pa. Madami pa tayong gagawing content. Kaya matagal ko pa mamimit si Lisa. Or Dream Meet. You know, alam niyo na. So, this time, I'm gonna talk about my dream. Is meeting seiyus, you know, meeting voice actors. Anything in Japan. Anything in Japan. Yeah, meet seiyus like Yoshisugu Matsuha. He's the most goated one. He's one of the most goated seiyu of all time. Most greatest seiyu. One of the most greatest seiyu of all time in Japan. One of the best voice actors in Japan is Yoshisugu Matsuha. Oh wait, pause. Pinarinig ko. Okay. We're back. So yeah, Yoshisugu Matsuha is the golden one. Yeah, the singer is, you know, Lisa. And Keisuko Band, I think. Yeah. I want to be those guys. Keisuko Band. Bro, I really like Bocce the Rock, man. It's so nice, and it's so vibing the music, you know. Even though the session complex music is so awesome. No, not gonna lie. It's so bang. It's real bang. So awesome. Madami kasi yung it's just a dream, man. I think it feels impossible to meet those guys. Basta mga sikat sa singer na nasa Japan. Yeah. Earn some money. Dream. This is the most I really need in YouTube. I want to earn some money because lagi na akong gahingi, gano'n. Yung gusto mong bumawi sa pamilya mo, gano'n. Yung gusto kong gawin, gusto kong mag-earn ng pera by doing a YouTube content with no sugal, online sugal, you know. So, yeah. I really need money, man. But, if we make a good content on YouTube, thank you. Well, I'll try my best. Dream car. Impossible. Dream car. Impossible. So, yeah. From you waves. Yeah, what's purpose on coming to YouTube? Great contents. Great contents. You might become 4 because bason, ewan ko lang kung makapag-vlog ako. Ewan ko lang, basta ewan ko lang. Hindi ko lang alam kung makapag-vlog ako. Ang pinakayo ko sa lahat guys, yung parang ang mga comment ay hindi ko talaga magugustuhan. I just hate it. Ayaw ko talaga. Gusto ko kasi yung na-appreciate yung mga ginagawa kong content, gano'n. Yun. Somewhat, yun. Sunod naman ay, online sugal. Sinabi ko na. Ang online sugal kasi, hindi ko talaga, type na, mag-spend ka ng, pero mananalo ka. Pero, hindi ako ganun, guys. Never ko mga nagagawa, eh. Never ako nag-online sugal. Ayoko. At, yung iba, guys, kasi yung, lumibat, ba? Yung matagal ka na naglalaro ng nilalaro mo, gano'n. Tapos yung minag-promote ng yung channel kasi makikita mo halimbawa, matagal ka ng subscriber nung content creator. Matagal ka nang nakasubscribe sa content creator na 'yon. Ang mga nilalaro yan, halimbawa, ML, PUBG, ganun, ROS, yon. Tapos, may nag-promote ng ng online sugal. Tapos, gagamitin mo sa stream mo, yun. Mag-stream ka ng online sugal. Tapos makikita mo, yun. Online sugal. Basta yun. Ayoko nun kasi, hindi maganda. Hindi maganda sa channel. Hindi maganda sa channel kapag ganun. Malaki din guys yung nakikita mo sa online sugal. Pero, guys, si File Station nireject yung lahat ng may nagpo-promote sa kanya ng ng mga online sugal. Nireject na talaga lahat. Ayun, yung ganun ng mga gusto ko. Malaking respeto ko talaga kay File Station. Kay Kuya File. Kuya File, kung napapanood mo to, hello. Nga pala guys. Hindi nalimutan ko. Nasaan yun? I'm gonna say again, what purpose we're coming to YouTube is all of it. Itong pangarap ko ay isang maganda. Pangarap na kailangan ko talaga na makatulong sa pamilya ko. Gusto ko makatulong sa pamilya ko. Yung gagawa ka ng content din sa YouTube. Kasi parang wala ka na talagang ginagawa sa bahay. Yung feel mo talaga na gusto mong gumawa, na gusto mong makakita ng pera. Guys, it's a long way. We're going to have a long journey to this YouTube content. I want to help my family. What's purpose of my for coming to YouTube is I want to make content to make people happy, because to make their smile even better, to make some great emotions with all of you viewers. I really wanted to entertain you, and I really want to earn some money, because I really wanted to have a better room. I want to help my family so that ayoko silang mag-alala sa akin. Kung kailangan mo talaga magbago, talaga. Ako kasi dati, hanggang ngayon dati, malaki talaga ng pagkaiba ko sa sarili ko, malaki talaga. Yung 4 years na yun, yung pandemic, hindi ko may maganda din at may hindi maganda. Ang pinakamagandang high school year ko lang talaga yung since nung ako grade 9 to grade 7. Yun. Yung grade 10 and grade 12, pandemic yun, guys. It's just so sad, man. You know? It's already happened, man. Nangyari na. Yeah. Hello again. This is a new clip and that clip that you watch right now is a whole week now, and I didn't upload it yet. And about that, I start thinking about what I'm gonna. No. What I mean is what's gonna happen in the future of myself about doing YouTube videos. I mean, this is literally my dream, being a YouTuber, and I'm not lying, okay? I'm not lying. This is my literally my dream, being a YouTuber. I made a promise to myself about 2 years ago now, and I haven't started yet because I don't have anything what I need by making contents, my camera, a better camera, uh, new content, materials by making contents. We're gonna do a crafting thing. I don't have anything yet, so I got one. So we're gonna make a content like that. But I'm going to make a content first is gaming. That's what I only think right now. And we're gonna make that later. I'm I'm really inspired by everyone who works hard because oh shit. Wait. To become one of them, again? Wait guys, wait. To become I'm sorry. To become one of them, I need your support to create video content on YouTube and make everyone happy. Oh my god, it's already morning now. Uh, this will change me by making YouTube videos, and it's possible to change my life by helping me grow this channel. About about the clip, I skipped that because I felt like I hadn't changed myself, so I made another one to make it better, make it you know. Uh, there's a lot to explain, okay, and I'm not good at memorizing, but I'm memorizing, and I have you know script. and it's hard to read because there's a lot. I mean, this is long, not gonna lie. I put that in my heart to get that I need to read. Let's say this is a script. This is a script for me to read, and I'm bad at memorizing. So yeah, it's not fake. Okay, this is real that I made. This is real. Uh, I mean, so yeah. Oh my god, it's like I haven't changed any. I haven't changed yet, man. Wow. So yeah, but I promise I'm gonna explain a lot coming soon. So if you need guys a question, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, uh, that's what I really need to this channel. So yeah, thank you and see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and a great night. Peace. Oh my god. It's like I haven't changed yet, man. So yeah, bye. Kung may sasabihin kayo guys sa video na to, please like guys. Please like this video and comment down below if you want to share something what I said in this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe guys. I really want to earn money. With your help, we might reach 100 subscribers end of this month. I don't know. It's a dream. It's a pangarap, guys. Pangarap. Maybe every 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I think we need to celebrate, man. Small celebration, but big. Big celebration in my heart. This is really big to me. So yeah, thank you and goodbye. So yeah, begin. There's a lot of edit and a lot of cuts. Bye. Love you all.